ọmọ wàhálà be like moin for some people ni. Ẹ wo ìyàwó Mohbad tó jẹ́ Wunmi Alọ́ba tó ti pariwo bàbá Mohbad síta wípé bàbá yìí gangan ń lọ dáadáa o tó ń dún kòkò mẹ́mìí òun. Wàhálà ńlá ó padà ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin bàbá Mohbad àti ìyàwó Mohbad tó jẹ́ Wunmi Alọ́ba lórí DNA kò ṣe DNA. Wọ́n ní tá a bá ti ṣe DNA test yìí tí test yìí sọ pé Mohbad ló ní Liam ni ó jogún 100%. Ẹ wo ẹjẹ́ àtẹ́tí bẹ̀lẹ̀ jẹ́ kájọ fetí gbéyàwó ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ rí tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì yìí ẹ̀ dákun ẹ̀ máa bá mi kílíìkì lórí subscribe button kẹ́ ẹ̀ like kẹ́ share. Ó yá ẹjẹ́ àjọ gbádùn ẹ̀.
Pé kò má ṣe, you understand? So nobody is running from anywhere. Stop the arguing pé bàbá ń sá káàkiri. No, you are the one that asked for a court order. Court ló fún wa ní kinní pé ká lọ ṣe. Nǹkan tí court dẹ̀ ṣe, nǹkan tó pé ká ṣe, ó ti change. So we have to go back to that court again. So stop the victim. Stop playing the victim here. It will not pay you. And then stop the narrative pé okay, bàbá fẹ́ jogún. Liam, tí wọ́n bá ṣe DNA yẹn tó bá ti confirm pé Mohbad ló lọ́mọ 100% gbogbo nǹkan tí ní Mohbad ní Liam ló ní. A kì í fight fógún ní kí. Ìran yín ó lè jẹ́ pé ogún la bí ni wọ́n fi jẹ kínní because nǹkan ó tiẹ̀ ti show náà because àjogúnlógún ni gbogbo nǹkan tí Mohbad ṣe ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́yìn ṣe kínní. If Mohbad in his lifetime does not have an account tó yẹ pé orúkọ ìyá ẹ ni wọ́n fi gbowó náà fi ṣe kínní ó ti show pé ogún lẹ́wà jẹ. So the kind of nǹkan tí ẹ ń ṣe ní family yín don't ascribe that to Joseph Aloba. And then I speak.
Bàbá ò kọ́lé.
Tí a bá jẹ́ DNA tí ọmọ yẹn bá jẹ́ ti Mohbad, everything Mohbad has belong to Liam.
Bàbá ò kọ́lé. Ilé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ láti lọ ṣe introduction. Bàbá ò kò kọ́lé. Bàbá ò ní kú àgbè ò kọ́lé, èmi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Stop the narrative. Kíní kan. Continue granting the interview. I don't know, maybe I've answered the question on the DNA.
Bàbá tó bí ò kọ́lé. Ilé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ láti lọ ṣe introduction.
Yeah, I think DNA and also the fact that the Kabiru Akingbolu also be addressed by the family for defaming Emperor Joseph Aloba. It needs to be taken up, and a lot of people have reached out to me in the DM today and say, what are we going to do about it? And thank God you are acknowledging the fact that you have been making a clear statement in recent times. So and also the DNA part, thank you so for also reiterating that it's going to be a tissue-based DNA, because people want to ask again, and we need to state it clearly here so that the bloggers have been cutting and joining. They need to do that again. You need to kind of let us know why she has been saying, oh, the DNA, I'm ready for the DNA. I'm ready for the DNA. And we need to state it clearly why, and she's coming out to be saying she's ready, because obviously what you just say just now, she's not acceding, she's not agreeing to it. So and she's trying to say she wants to do the DNA now. Is it because we want to do it in the US? Is that the reason why she's coming out to do this?
Well, the fact is that after the court granted that order, there is an exchange of letters between Baba's lawyer and our lawyer. So he proposed in their letter that okay, they want to do that DNA at a particular hospital in Lagos. And then I make a suggestion that